Title with gang. I go by the name of Phenomjk. If you do not know, if you are new to my channel, make sure you guys subscribe, press a thumbs up or a thumbs down on this video, and make sure you hit that bell so you won't miss any other videos. As y'all can see in the title, I got something very juicy for you guys. All real facts, all receipts kept. So you're gonna want to stay for the ride, alright? So without further ado, we're gonna get into it right after this intro. Let's go!
I got a real problem. Some days I really can't solve them, but today you can tell that I'm all in. Look at the way that I felt.
Alright, so without further ado, we're gonna get into the video. As y'all can tell by the title, we're gonna be talking about janky club promoters, right? So I'm not gonna say no names because they know who they are. People associated with them know who they are. So it is what it is. But this is all real. I got all facts which you guys will be seeing on the screen on the left or right of me. Alright, so boom, December 2nd to December 4th, I hit up this promoter. Said, hey, you got a show open? She sent me the shows. Cool, talked to my manager, we clear everything out, we pay the money, $350. I'm gonna show the receipts right here. Alright, so that's what I pay out of my pocket first off the bat to reserve a spot. Cool, we get there, I get the tickets, $300 something for the tickets for 2 people, which is right here. And then the Airbnb was like $500. I split it between me and my manager, which is right here. Okay, and then that doesn't even, I had to check in my bags, right? So that's like $400, and you can see the receipts right here. So as you can see, I spent well enough money to perform in ATL. Now this is a Sony Def Jam, Bootsy Badass, and CMG label show where I'm guessing their A&Rs come out and check us out. But we're gonna get into that in a minute, okay? So basically, she already told us, okay, yeah, this is the show. This is the Sony showcase, Def Jam showcase. You're gonna have a mixer panel, etc., etc. I'm like, okay, cool. I'm hyped. I'm good. We're doing our thing or whatever. We get there. I perform that Friday and that Saturday, and that Saturday night, she came and said, we don't know about tomorrow's show because of the weather. Now, it was a little cold, but it wasn't like Germany cold. It wasn't like icy hot baby cold. It was a decent cold. It was a bearable cold, right? I said, okay, well, you know, we'll do our thing. I'm at the Airbnb. Listen, I'm spending my money buying snacks and stuff, etc., etc. So I'm spending money out of my pocket. So how do I feel if this place gets closed? Okay, she tells us, okay, which I'm going to show you the screenshots right here, that there won't be a show that was at Sunday night. So I said, and she offered if I want to do any other shows. I'm like, okay, cool. I'm talking to my manager. I can't do any of these shows, so I want my refund back. It makes so much sense, and this is where a janky promoter comes in. Artists, y'all got to be careful. Make sure you do a background check on these people, dog. Like, it made me upset because I'm asking. I think a few days I said, okay, well, since we didn't do this show because it's supposed to be a mixer panel, will we still be getting judged on our performances? She didn't respond. As you can see, per message, right? She didn't respond. Second of all, I said, okay, well, me and my manager would like to discuss a refund. The receipts right there. She didn't respond. So now I'm like, okay, I spent so much money on bags, didn't get to sell my merch. First of all, you sat there and lied. What I'm thinking is, then I talked to some of the artists that performed backstage. It seemed like y'all had different arrangements. Janky promoters, y'all gotta be careful. You should not do that to people, because that could have been like my last for my Christmas list shopping, gas. Oh, not to forget, I had to pay a parking fee for parking my car at the airport, $73, $76. I can't make this up. But all I know is karma is karma, bad or good. You gave me bad karma, you're gonna receive bad karma. To me and whoever else you screwed over. Because it's okay, God's gonna give me a blessing. And in place of the blessing that you should have gotten. It's okay, because this situation was so messed up and so unprofessional. and I should have known. You know what I'm saying? I should have known. I had high expectations. Even though the show was great, every 2 days, those 2 days I did perform, I did a really good job, had good, real good feedback, met some amazing artists, connected with amazing artists. That situation blew my top. You know what I'm saying? You get tired of dealing with like janky people in the first place, and she just added herself to the list. But yeah, so that is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said before, if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, like, and hit that post bell notification to get the next videos up. You won't miss a heartbeat because we got some new stuff coming your way. Alright, okay, so the surprise that you guys are going to be getting is I'm doing a 2-for-1 deal on the Phenomjk t-shirts. I got them in all sizes, small, medium, large, and I think extra large. And you can purchase these through the site. Yeah, y'all can purchase these through the site. I'll put the link in the description below. So you guys can check that out and easy access, click it. If you got any questions on the last page, I think you can do a you can drop me a comment and my team will get to it and we'll respond to you as soon as possible. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
You get all our bags, with a whole lot of tags. You gon' keep a stack, okay. You ain't gotta ask. You get all our bags, with a whole lot of tags. You gon' keep a stack, okay. You ain't gotta ask. I get the bag, I double, I triple.